Young man, what's your name?
I'm Tyler.
How old are you, Tyler?
I'm 9.
9 years old?
Yeah.
And what have you come to do?
I've come to street dance for you.
Really? Do you think you could win Britain's Got Talent?
Definitely.
Good man. Okay, when you're ready.
Come on, Tyler.
Show off that body. You working it, you tugging it, you tugging it. Ain't nobody do it like I do it. When I do it, dog, I do it. Take it down, put your back, get up, get up.
Well, the audience certainly like it.
I think you have got incredible natural talent.
I think you're a little firecracker. The standard of that dancing at your age, you're brilliant.
You're very, very talented, Tyler. Yes.
I'm definitely saying yes.
Come on, let's see what happens when he gets 3.
Tyler Patterson, 3 yeses, you're through to the next one. I liked his attitude. It's a little showman.
I love that, his little face.
He's a little showman doing it. It's got something about it. I liked it.
Loved it.